How to fix if add friend option not showing on your Facebook on your iPhone. Open Facebook and some public figure don't having add friend option because you can't add friend to them, only you can follow or unfollow them, such as Mark Zuckerberg for example. You can also follow this public figure, not to add friend them. So in public figure you can't find add friend option. Now if you are facing such other users and friends and add friends option missing, then here are the fixes. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is go to three horizontal dot and choose settings. Open Facebook settings page and here scroll down and look for profile and tagging. Tap on it and here under tagging, who can see post you have tagged, or who can post on your profile, who can see what others post on your profile, such type of this, who can see posts you have tagged in on your profile. So if you find only me option is set, then you cannot add friend. So go check if that person is blocked in your iPhone or your Facebook. If you found it blocked, then unblock this person. After unblocking, you can see add friend option is visible on that page. The another one is again on Facebook setting and privacy page. Tap on how people find and contact you. Who can send you friend request? It should be everyone. If you found it friends of friends, then simply tap on it and choose everyone. Now, after choosing everyone, you can see add friend is visible on your screen.